Hey everybody, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. We are back up here with the 1973 Ford F100 that we've called Jack. Now, we've got a few things for this old truck for the fuel system. Let's go over here, see what all we've got, and we'll take some stuff apart to see what else we need. Alright, so this is the sending unit. And we've got our filler neck and vent tube hose. Woohoo, baby, look at that. This is some good looking stuff. Well, it's Dennis Carpenter stuff, so I mean, figured it would be. Messing up my video. Oh yeah, this one's a lot better than what I had on the thing. If y'all seen the sneak peek video, guys, I literally just touched that thing and it crumbled. But it's also like 50 years old, so it's time for a new one anyway. Old red down there, our 82, it needs a new one on it. You got to put gas in it a certain way, or it'll spit every bit of it back out at you. It pisses me off, gets on my nerves. This is not sponsored, but all the parts that we got today came from CJ Pony Parts. CJ Pony Parts is where a lot of the stuff for the Mustang came from. They're pretty good stuff, guys, and they're reasonable on their prices. Also, we've got us a new tool set here. That dang Cobalt set that I bought after Elena was born. We used the 3/8 ratchet on it for maybe 20 minutes and it was already stripping out. So I threw that freaking thing and ain't seen it since. But these freaking Milwaukees better work better than those Cobalts did. I'm sure they will. So what we're going to be doing today with the truck is we're going to be dropping the fuel tank on it. So I'll know what kind of tank I'll need to get. I know it's 19 gallons, but they offer one without the rollover vent hole and the one with. I think this requires the rollover valve. I'm pretty sure it does because it's got a charcoal canister up there and under the hood, but it never hurts to double check, so that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, I've got an errand that I've got to run. Right now, we're going to check the mail and get some lunch. I got one of the yellow cards from the post office. About a week or two ago, somebody sent me an email asking if I had a P.O. box. He was wanting to send something that we could use on the channel. And I do have one now. It is P.O. Box 551, Bean Station, Tennessee. I'll put that in the description. If somebody wanted to send something, they could. If you don't, that's fine. You know, I don't want to be the guy that is, seems like I'm begging for stuff. That's just going to be there for people that want to use that. It was my Box Truck Mafia shirt from Puddin's Fab Shop. All right, we got our jack under here and got this truck up in the air, but what's more important is look at them dirt daubers, son. Stacking dimes around that 9. But also, even better than that, it looks like the floor's not as bad as I thought it was. We might just be able to fix that with a patch, some Pour 15, and some undercoating. Thank God. And now we get our creeper. Move around here to the back of the truck. See if we get this tank out of here. Sweet Carolina, da, da, da. Wasn't that just great? Alrighty. You want to play hardball? We'll play hardball. Now we'll hit them with a little bit of lube. God dang it. Great. It can't be taught if it doesn't exist. Ha 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 ha. Well, guys, it's about to pour down rain, and my grinder died halfway through cutting that bolt off of the driver's side strap. I've got the passenger side off, and we're gonna go in here in this garage and clean some of that scale off and Pour 15 this strap so we can actually get some progress done on something. I'll have to come up here in the morning and cut that bolt out the rest of the way and Pour 15 the other strap. All right, so now what I've got is a surface preparation pad on a grinder. These things remove rust like crazy. What I'm gonna do is this tank strap, I'm just gonna knock the scale off of it, clean it off with some mineral spirits, and paint it with Pour 15. All right, as you can see, they didn't take much. You want to leave a little bit of rust on there just so the Pour 15 has something to bite to. I was pretty much just knocking the scaliness off of it. Now, I've got some mineral spirits. We'll wipe it down. We'll let some of this dust clear out of here, and then we'll 415 it and show you what it looks like. You can see the part number on it.
Yeah, what's part number?
This is FOMOCO, made in Canada, D3TA 9A017AA.
Yeah.
Alright, now that's strung up, I'm going to hit it with a tack rag. And now the fun stuff, making stuff pretty. All right, guys, I'm gonna go down for the night. We're gonna let that dry. We'll come up here in the morning and see how it looks. And we'll get the other strap off and get the tank out. We still don't know what's going on with this thing. It's half 8 in, half 9 in, half 2 in. The lifts quit working on it, and we took the top plate off to adjust the pump and all that, and it's not an 8 in pump. We don't know what's going on, but figure it out eventually. So this is what come out of it. An 8 in, this is supposed to be a long rod that goes down into the pump. And we got to looking, and this is a 9 in style top plate. And that hooks onto a little wishbone looking thing. So if you know anything about Ford N-Series tractors, comment down below. Alright guys, there's your finished product. The next one I probably won't take down as far. The Pour 15 didn't want to bite in as good, but it did stick, and I just the spots where it didn't want to stick to, I just hit with some black Rust-Oleum, but that looks a lot better than rust, so I'm happy with it. All right, guys, so I got the other tank strap cut out, but here's the problem. I'm not going to be able to get this tank out of here today. And I don't know how well you can see it, but that hitch is welded to the bumper, and it's not allowing the tank to drop down. And that brand new grinder y'all seen me using a few minutes ago, well, it died. Brand new $60 grinder. But what should I expect from a Walmart grinder? Oh, maybe we'll be able to get it next time. I'll have to get another grinder and cut that hitch off of there. But I just want to thank y'all for watching. Next weekend we are going to Holly Mo Party, and then the following week we'll be back on the truck, and then the week after that we're going to Ford Fest. So If this is your first time visiting the channel, just stick around. We got a lot of good stuff on the way. I want to thank you all for watching. If you ain't subscribed yet, please do so. And if you have over the past 2 weeks, I want to thank you guys for that. But remember, guys, your project ain't going to work unless you do. Keep them out of the crusher. God bless y'all. We love you, and we'll see you next time.